everybody! This video, I wanted to share some really cool stuff for New Year's. Hi!
Hey guys, I just came back from Pier Park because they were doing a ball drop for the New Year.
Yeah, we're kind of bummed out. Obviously, 2020 has really had a lot of disappointing things about it, but we prefer to focus on the positive. One sad thing is this year they're not doing the beach ball drop here where we live in Florida. They usually do like down by the mall a huge ball drop, and it's so much fun. They actually drop like thousands of beach balls, and Rudy gets one every year.
Yes.
But they're not doing it this year. But one thing they are doing is actually having fireworks. So I found this really cool lesson. It's a drawing with one of the most fun art supplies, which is glitter, and it's a picture of fireworks, like the one you see right here. So we're gonna, I'm gonna show you how I did that. I don't know how it's gonna turn out because it is still not dry. Like the glue and the glitter take a really long time to dry. But I want to share with you these slides because they're really cool, and you know, everyone likes to start off the new year making resolutions. I prefer to make goals and kind of reevaluate how the year went. So basically, this is a really cool slideshow that I'm going to share with you guys. You could definitely do this with your students. Rudy and I are going to do it together. So the first thing is we're going to take a look back at 2020, and we're going to just see what went well and what didn't go so great. Then we want to think all about you in 2021. We want to visualize what the year is going to be like for you. And we want to talk about your goals. So not really resolutions, but goals. All right, so let's take a look back at 2020. What was your favorite memory? What's wrong?
My favorite memory was...
One of mine was getting to run the Disney marathon. I thought that was
my
really
favorite
fun.
was Emerson's birthday.
Yay! Emerson's birthday! Did you have fun? We still have cake in the refrigerator. So Emerson turned 2 this year. The Disney marathon was in January before they canceled all the races. So, oh, come here, baby. I'm just glad that I got to complete at least one marathon in 2020 because I was going to try to qualify for Boston again. Okay, so Rudy, what were you most proud of from 2021?
Getting a job.
Oh.
You didn't get a job. I got a job. So I got a job teaching online. Oh, Rudy started a new school and he did really well. He made like straight A's. So he started a new school, and school was actually open. We didn't know about Corona. Your eyes are weird. And of course, I moved my mom down to Florida, and we've survived. Ready to answer these questions, Rudy?
Yeah.
Okay, now these are some questions for you to do your year-end review for 2020. So one word to describe the year. This was really hard for me. I was thinking change, but maybe, I guess, historic. The best thing I did for someone else is I literally risked my life and drove my mom's truck and a U-Haul down from Baltimore, Maryland to Florida. It was crazy. My favorite movie of the year, when my oldest daughter came down to visit, we watched a Timothée Chalamet movie, Call Me By My Name. That's not a kid-friendly movie, but I also really liked The Secret, which is on Netflix, and it's based on the book The Secret. Favorite show, I'd have to say Cocomelon, because my 2-year-old is obsessed with it, and it's the only way I get anything done, right, Emerson?
I got some questions for me.
What's your favorite show of the year?
Wait.
One word to describe 2020. Yeah.
2020 sucks.
Hey, it's sus. 2020 is sus. What's the best thing you did for somebody else?
Celebrate Emerson on birthday.
Yeah, he really helped decorate and everything for her birthday. Favorite movie of the year? Probably Elf.
Elf.
Yeah, Rudy's been
Elf.
watching Elf. Oh gosh, this is embarrassing.
Favorite
Show?
I think I won.
Yeah.
I think favorite show of the year. Captain America.
No, I'd say FGTV or Guava Juice or Hobby Kids. That's what he watches most.
Okay.
Most embarrassing moment? Well, it's always literally when I go running. Almost pooped my pants.
My embarrassing moment of the year was me hoping to get to be very good on my math test.
And that was embarrassing?
Yeah, because I thought I was gonna fail.
Yeah. The time you laughed the hardest at Thanksgiving with my brother and mom. When my brother came for a visit during Thanksgiving, we laughed really hard.
All right. The time you laughed the hardest this year was Emerson saying caribou.
Caribou. Caribou. You.
Something you learned to do.
Something I learned how to make earrings out of polymer clay, and I learned about meditation.
I learned how to take care of my little sister.
Oh yes, he's a good helper.
What I've never done is been on
The biggest lesson I learned is that, or most newsworthy event was the marathon
newsworthy
event. Something that happened that was that would be in the newspaper.
Biggest lesson learned.
I learned
What's
that.
math?
Yeah. Oh, math lessons. For me, life is short, and to be present in every moment. Favorite place I visited, I'd say the Grand Canyon in Sedona, Arizona. That was a great trip.
So, favorite place you visited this year?
Yeah.
Definitely the Grand Canyon.
Yeah, definitely. We saw snow. It was great.
Most
Memorable moment of the year.
Our trip.
Yeah, that was really fun. Best advice that you received this year is to be present. What's your advice? Headphones? Emerson wants to
it
wear
was getting straight A's on straight.
An achievement you're proud of. I got a job. You made straight A's. I said stop. Who are you most thankful for this year? I said my mom, my husband, Emerson, and Rudy.
My Emerson, and my dad.
Emerson. What about me? Okay, now let's look ahead to 2021. This is me. I am 40 years old. I like to run and make art. My friends are Carrie and Timmy. I have one pet. When I grow up, I want to be a full-time artist with a studio. My hobby is running and drumming. The book that I like the best is The Secret. The movie is Call Me By My Name, Timothée Chalamet. Sport is running. Subject is art. Games are PS4 Just Dance. What are yours?
First, I want to do all about me.
Okay.
I am 9 years. My name. I am Rudy, and this is a picture of me. I am 9 years old. I like to play video games and play with toys.
Yeah.
My friends are Blaze and Chris.
Mommy.
I have one pet. When I grow up, I want to be a crew member in an airplane.
An astronaut?
No, a crew member.
Crew member. Okay.
Airplane.
What's your hobbies?
Video games.
Video games.
My favorite book. Five Nights at Freddy's, the Freddy Files.
Yeah, he likes that one.
My favorite movie, Elf.
Elf.
Sports. Math. Wait,
Math isn't a sport.
Sport.
Basketball?
Basketball. Subject. Math. Game. What does that mean?
What game? What's your favorite game?
Cuphead.
Cuphead right now is his
And
favorite.
Five Nights at Freddy's. Fully VR.
And FNAF VR. So what are your 2021 goals or resolutions? I want us to buy a house in 2021. I want to qualify for the Boston Marathon, help my mom with her arthritis, help my son do his best in school. That means helping him with his homework, try to be more organized, increase my YouTube channel, maintain my goal weight. And I want to help others and find a good church, meditate, and read my meditation book. What are your goals? What do you want to do in 2021?
I want, my goals are do good in school, do good in guitar,
Yeah.
do chores, cheer up Emerson,
Yeah, that's good.
walk the dog with Mama.
Oh, yeah.
Help Dad out with anything that he needs help on.
Those are great.
And learning how to play more games.
And getting better at gaming, yeah. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to show you how I did this awesome fireworks drawing. If you want to make your own resolutions, you can make a copy of the slideshow. I'm going to put the link below. Like I said, I got it from Teachers Pay Teachers. It's in my Google Drive, so you can copy it, edit it, and think about your new year, set yourself up for success. And like I said, luckily we still will get to see some fireworks despite Corona. And I hope everyone has a wonderful new year and a happy and safe celebration. Say bye.